Unboxing. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, magkano to? 22.
Later na yan. First! Paano to?
What is this?
What is this? Malamang iPad.
And that?
Keyboard. Hindi mo nakikita. Wala akong ano. Ano to?
Yan, arrow. Why not? Kabayong budlit.
Oh, biglang nag-Bisaya.
What's that? Black.
Uy, shish. Shish.
What's that? It's only keyboard.
Sasabi mo, mami.
Unsa man di ay na?
Tagalog!
Oh, no. Wow. Wow.
Ano to? Dito yung manual.
Huwag mong walain. Yan. Tago mo yung mga papel, ha?
Wait, something is
Open!
here? Yes, there's more. I don't want to destroy it though.
Keyboard lang to. So, keyboard lang binili natin. Na-scam tayo.
Ano na scam?
Ito. iPad Air lang pala to. Ano ba pagkaiba ng Pro at saka ano?
May mas marami pang features yung ganun.
Pro?
Ayun na, may warranty.
Mm.
Ito warranty.
Huwag mo ilagay dyan. Tatapon niya ni Daddy. Please, por favor.
Wait, close this one.
Close na yan.
Wait na.
They're so expensive. Very expensive.
Mommy, my phone is 5 years old. The volume is ratatatata, okay?
And now, sama na siya. Uy, sige man na siya balik ana.
Oh? Chan chan. Chan chan.
And
Oh,
now,
pwede yung ganun.
pwede siya ma-fold. Where is the computer? Over there? And
Hey,
share
that moment
of